Lately, I've been reminding myself that it's not about being the best. It's simply about being better than I was yesterday. And today, as I cleaned my study table and sort through my novels and notebooks, that quote hit me differently. Because sometimes growth doesn't look big or dramatic. Sometimes it looks like wiping a dirty surface, organizing a drawer, or choosing to make your space a little calmer than it was before. And even though it feels small, it still counts. It matters. Hello soft lifers, thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel, also like and share this video with your loved ones. As I rearrange my books, I kept thinking about how easy it is to pressurize ourselves, to expect perfection, to compare our pace with everyone else, to think we're not doing enough. But today made me slow down and see things more gently. Every little action we take, even the quiet ones, is a step forward. And that's progress. That's growth. When I place each book in order, when I wipe the corners of my desk, when I took time to breathe and do something for myself, I realize that I'm moving, even if the world doesn't see it. Every day really is a chance to grow, even in the smallest ways. And I know many of us forget that because we are waiting for big wins, the big achievements, the moment where everything changes. But growth doesn't announce itself. Sometimes it comes in silence, in routines, in choosing to tidy up instead of ignoring the mess, in choosing to show up for yourself even if the step is tiny. Please let me know your name and where you're watching me from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. As I sit here on a clean area, I'm reminded that growth doesn't always have to be loud or perfect. Sometimes it's just choosing to take care of the little things, choosing yourself in quiet ways. So if today you managed to do something, that was a small step. Celebrate it. Be proud of it. Because every small win is still movement. Every gentle effort still counts. Thank you for spending this moment with me. Let's keep growing at our own pace. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Bye bye.